Fredric Jameson's seminal 1991 work, Postmodernism, or The Cultural Logic of Late Capitalism, delves into the intricacies of postmodernity within the framework of late capitalist ideologies. Departing from traditional Marxist analysis, Jameson scrutinizes the evolution of postmodernism in the latter half of the 20th century, emphasizing its complex relationship with modernity. By applying Marxist theory to the terrain of late capitalism, he unveils how various expressive forms, including visual art, architecture, and new media trends, serve as conduits for capitalist and Marxist ideologies. Jameson's examination encompasses diverse phenomena such as pastiche, the diminishment of emotional content, spatial flattening, and the recursive nature of certain artworks. He elucidates how these techniques reflect and perpetuate both capitalist and Marxist paradigms, offering insights into the ways in which contemporary art shapes lived experience. The book's initial sections grapple with the problem of periodization, challenging the notion of a distinct break between modernity and postmodernity. Jameson contends that human history unfolds as a complex interplay of multiple strands rather than discrete periods, complicating the delineation of epochs. Despite this, he asserts the utility of terms like postmodernity in delineating prevailing ideological strands at a given moment. Crucially, Jameson underscores the inseparable link between culture, economics, and politics, echoing Marx's foundational insight. Through his analysis, he highlights how cultural shifts mirror broader socioeconomic dynamics, enriching our understanding of the contemporary landscape. Put simply, Jameson argues that the socioeconomic circumstances of any given society are reflected in its cultural expressions. Drawing on the ideas of economist Ernest Mandel, Jameson outlines the evolution of global capitalism and its impact on cultural production. Mandel's framework divides capitalist history into three technological and economic phases: the era of steam engines, the advent of combustive and electrical power, and the emergence of digital and nuclear technologies. These stages correspond to artistic movements, realism, modernism, and postmodernism, respectively. In the postmodern era, Jameson contends, traditional boundaries between the state, information institutions, and individuals have blurred, facilitating fluid exchanges of goods and information across previously distinct fields of knowledge. While postmodernism exerts significant influence on contemporary life and intellectual discourse, Jameson emphasizes that it is not the sole social arrangement of the present moment. Nevertheless, its dominance shapes various aspects of modern existence, making it impossible to wholly escape its effects. Jameson concludes his critique with examples of recent cultural works embodying postmodern thought. Postmodernism, or The Cultural Logic of Late Capitalism, serves as a rigorous examination of a frequently overlooked period and a cautionary reflection on the limitations of periodization. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did, and be sure to subscribe. Thank you.